In this question, we're looking at organic chemistry. We've got some basic information at the top about the idea of what general formula is, and they're going to test us on some other types of terminology throughout this. So the student carries out an experiment to measure the enthalpy change of combustion of hexane. Here's hexane's formula. The student finds that the combustion of that much hexane changes the temperature of 200 grams of water from that to that. Straight away, we've got temperature changes, we've got amounts. We are on MC delta T calculation here. That temperature change is your big giveaway that is the type of question that you are going to be doing, and then you are going to be working out moles, Q, and doing delta H is Q over N. So you're going to need to work through that now in that order to do this. So we're looking for the enthalpy change of combustion of the hexane. So we need the number of moles of it, which is mass over mR, which is that. We need to work out Q. So Q is the mass of the water. Yeah, so it's 200 times 4.18 times the 45, which is the temperature change. This is on the data sheet if you can't remember it. And that gives us that many joules, or you might prefer to pop that into kilojoules at this stage. It's up to you where you divide by 1,000. Delta H then is Q over N. So divide those two by each other. If you haven't already, divide it by 1,000 and you will get to this number here. So that's the first 3 marks. The fourth one is for tidying this all up properly. So this is an exothermic reaction, and we need it to an appropriate number of significant figures. So when we look here, we've got 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs. Our appropriate number is 3 sig figs. So we need to just bring that down from 4 to 3, 2510, and it's exo, so we put a minus in front of it. So reasons for the difference between data book value and this will basically be heat loss would be your main one, or you could say incomplete combustion, or you can say non-standard conditions.